And welcome to another video. Today we're going to do something very exciting because as you can see in front of me here, we have some brand new, or sorry, it's not brand new actually. These are old JDM Classic seats. These are some Recaro SR3s and they are not in the best condition, and what we're going to do in this episode is actually restore them so they will look a lot better than they do right now. They may look okay from a distance, but believe me, there is a few scratches here and there that needs to be fixed. So I am really happy that I scored a set of these. I mean, these are really rare now these days and expensive, and I got them a little bit cheaper because they need some repairing. So hopefully I will make this work. I've never done this before, so I believe it will be a learning curve for myself, and maybe you can learn something new as well. Yeah, anyways, remember to subscribe and like the video, and now let's get into what we need to fix. A lot of YouTubers have the Recaro SR3s with the confetti look right here, but these do not have that. But you know what, I still think they look so cool. So what we need to fix, as you see clearly right here, we need to actually take some thread and we need to actually fix this. I'm going to also wash these seats completely because it's quite filthy. You can see on the Recaro logo right here, it's kind of yellow, so it does not look too good. So I'm going to completely wash these seats and take a brush and really make them look nice again. And like I said, we need to sew here and there and there, and it's multiple areas all around on both seats that needs some fixing. As some of you may know, ever since I have bought the car, my Skyline, I have been really annoyed by the headspace in that car. It's seriously so annoying.
Bort med skålen! Til da!
Det er veldig...
Det er ikke for høye folk, nei.
It's bad headroom in here. Yeah, that kind of sucks, and I have had this car for a year now, and I have lived with that for a year, so hopefully these seats will be a little bit smaller and make me sit lower. And I've also ordered some brand new seat rails for this Skyline from Driftworks, and they will arrive tomorrow, I think. So tonight is a good night to actually fix these seats and make them a lot better. Now it's enough talking, it's time to get started. Now these seats are washed, so now it's actually time to fix all of these small spots. And actually this also came loose, so that's not good at all. Maybe I can just, well, it's quite hard actually, so if I just, it's cool. They cleaned up really good, and the Recaro logo is wider than ever actually, so I'm really happy about that. So now it's time to actually start fixing like these. I've never done this before, so I'll take a needle and a thread and like try to tuck it in together like that, and hopefully that will work. that bruise that we had right there, almost gone. I mean, this is the first time I'm doing this, it's not perfect, but I'm really happy, and I will make it even better, but I am really happy about that. This I am not so happy about, so I will have to fix that a little bit more, but yeah, it's coming together. I am really nervous about fixing that, so I probably need some help to do that, but it'll be good. We are now done with the needle and threads, and we also took a little bit of black paint on them at the end, and now they look really good. I mean, you can't, if you don't know where we have been doing all the work, you can't see where the work has been done. So I am super happy about that. These are old seats, so I don't expect perfection, but I mean, I am really happy about this. They look super good. And actually, I just got a call that my seat rails for the Skyline has just arrived, so now it's time to go home and mount the new seats.
Det var ikke så dum den.
Nei, den var fin den der. So these are the seat rails. They literally came in 1 hour ago. So that's pretty cool. And they look actually really cool with the logo Nisuba right there. So hopefully these will fit my R34. Yeah, I'm excited. So I got 2 sets of these, which are the adapter for the R34 Skyline. And then I assume right here we got the seat rails. No, here we got the sliders, so we can slide the seat forward and backwards. Here we got the slider itself, 2 of these. There we go. Oh yeah, look at these, they look mint. Oh yeah, minty fresh. We like that. So now we will take these seats and we will mount the seat rails to the adapter, then mount the adapter and the seat rails to the Recaro SR3s. And then get them in the car. Because the seats are obviously still wet from the wash, so I need to dry them. So yeah, we do not want any mold or anything, of course, in the car, and it's really important that they are dry. I don't want to get wet when I sit in the car for the first time with the seats. So let's actually skip to tomorrow right now. We are at day number 2, and they are almost completely dry now. I will have them in the car tonight as well with heat in the car, so it will, yeah, they will dry 100%. But yeah, this is how it looks right now. I have this situation right now. We got this on, the Nisuba bracket, that's on after a little bit of modifications, and this one right here does really not fit at all. So I'll actually take it off I will actually take it off this seat and then try to just fit the bracket first to make that fit, and then I will try to mount it all together. And the seat rails are actually not fitting to the SR3, so we'll have to drill some new holes, so it will be good. No time to waste, let's go. Okay, one seat is now in the car, but it is super late and I'm going to work tomorrow, so we will have to skip to day number 3. Why does these things always take such a long time? I started this on Wednesday and I was super optimistic and thought like, yeah, I will finish in like 1 or 2 hours on Thursday and I can publish this video on Thursday, but I cannot publish this video on Thursday because now it's Thursday night and I'm still not done. One is in, I'm really happy about that. I'm super happy and excited to show you guys that tomorrow in the daylight because now it's so dark you can't see anything. But yeah, stay tuned for day number 3. Okay, I have actually skipped day number 3, so we are now actually on day number 4. But the Recaro seat is actually in the driver's side and I just have the passenger side left. So now you can see in the sunlight how it looks. And I am super motivated to get the passenger seat in because this just looks, I mean, look at that logo. It looks super good. And I sit really well in the car as well. I do not rub in the roof, so I'm really happy about that. So yeah, I really like this. So now it's actually a street meet in 1 hour, so I am in a bit of hurry. So I simply now need to mount the other seat right now. Really excited to see 2 Recaros in here. It'll be so good. Oh yeah, I am done. I feel like I'm being tucked real good over here, and these really surprised me how much these actually do, because when I'm driving, I'm usually driving like this, I'm sitting like that, but now I can't do that because they're tucking in, so it's really strange. But I mean, it feels really good in my back, and it's actually like a good upholstery. Is that what you said? Like it gives me some support in the lower back. And I think that's pretty good. So, and it's really nice to have that adjustable back as well, so I can sit like this if I want to, or I can sit more aggressively if I'm going fast and stuff like that. So, I mean, it's really cool, and I'm so happy with having the function right here that we can take the seat forward if people need to get in the back. So I'm really happy. And the sliders also, they work really good. Goes back here all the way here, so the person in the back can have plenty of room actually. So yeah, I feel like putting like genuine old JDM parts on this car only raises the value of the car, because I could have bought some like new seats that you can get off the shelf, but I feel like it's much better to get like rare JDM parts for this build. And I mean, like I said, it increases the value because it's hard to find these seats. These are expensive seats, and now that we have fixed them, that you have seen in this video, they turned out a lot better than they were in the beginning of this video. So I am super happy about that. But yeah, like I said, now I'm going to a meet, and I am excited to test these out and have simply just a good day driving my Skyline with the new seats. And finally, my hair does not go rub in against the roof, and that's what I've been wanting. That's the main reason why I did this. That's the main reason why I did this. The second reason is that they are kind of comfortable, sporty, and the third reason, they look cool. That's also important. So yeah, I am super happy. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.